Hey everyone, welcome back to Learner Gigs. Today we are going to explore one of the most important commands in Linux administration, useradd. Are you ready to learn how to create new user account and customize their properties? Let's get started. Let's talk about groups. In Linux, groups are like teams or classes. A primary group is like your main class, while supplementary groups are like clubs or teams you are a part of. Think of it like being in a school. Your primary group is your class, and supplementary groups are like sports teams or club. You are a part of your class, but you are also a part of other groups that share similar interest. The basic syntax of the user add command is sudo user add options username. Let's break it down. Sudo, this stands for super user do and allow us to execute command with elevated privileges. User add, this is the command to create a new user account. Options, there are optional parameter that can be used to customize the user account. Username, this is the name of the user account we are created. Let's create a new user account using the user add command. So sudo user add new user, enter. Here we have to give our password. Now let's verify that we are login as the new user. So we have to do sudo su hyphen new user. Now to check who am I? As you can see, the UMI command display the username of the current user, which is the new user in this case. Let's exit the new user session. By using sudo su hyphen new user, we are switching to the new user account and simulating a login shell. This allows us to verify that the user account was created correctly and that can be logged in as the new user. Imagine you are a system administrator and you want to store user home directory in a specific directory like slash project or slash teams. You can specify a custom home directory for a user using the -d option. Let's create a user with a custom home directory. Now let's verify that the custom home directory is being used. So let's log in into it. The pwd command displays the current working directory, which is the custom home directory slash project slash project user in this case. This confirms that the custom home directory was specified correctly and is being used as the user's home directory. Let's exit the project user session. By specifying a custom home directory, we can organize user files and directory in a way that makes sense for our organization or project. We can specify a custom shell for the user using the -s option. Let's create a user with a custom shell. Now let's verify that custom shell is being used. So I'm logging into that user. Now let's check. The echo $shell command display the path to the user shell, which is slash bin slash bash in this case. This confirms that the custom shells was specified correctly and is being used as the user's shell. Let's exit the bash user session. By specifying a custom shell, we can give user the flexibility to use their preferred shell environment. Before we specify a primary group for a user, let's talk about creating a groups. In Linux, we can create a group using the group add command. The basic syntax of that group add command is sudo group add group name. Let's create a group called developer. This command create a new group called developers. Now that we have created a group, let's specify a primary group for a user using the -g option. Let's create a user with a primary group. The ID command display the information about the user including their primary group. In this case, the output of the ID command will show the primary group of the developer user is indeed developers. We can specify supplementary group for the user using the -G option. Let's create another group called fun. Now let's create a user with supplementary group. The ID command display the information about the user, including their supplementary group. In this case, the output of the ID will show that the multigroup is a member of both fun and developers group. We can specify a comment or description for the user using the -c option. Let's create a user with a comment. The getEnt command display information about the user, including their comments or description. In this case, the output of the getEnt command will show that the comment of the test user indeed comment test. We can specify a custom user ID for the user using the -u option. Let's create a user with a custom user ID. The ID command display the information about the user, including their user ID. In this case, the output of the ID command will show that the user ID of the custom UID user is indeed 1011. We can specify an expiration date for the user account using the -e option. Let's create a user with an expiration date. The change command display the information about the user's account expiration. In this case, the output of the change command will show that the account expiration date for the expire user is indeed December 11, 2025. This feature is useful for creating temporary user account that need to expire after a certain period. That's it for today's tutorial on the useradd command. We have learned how to create new user account and customize their properties. Practice makes perfect. So keep experimenting and learning. Thanks for watching Learner Geeks. If you have any question or topics you have like to cover, leave them in comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Linux tutorial. See you in the next video. Bye.